Hello, let me first introduce you to what are crackmes. A crackme is a small program designed to test a programmer's reverse engineering skills. They are programmed by other reversers as a legal way to crack software, since no intellectual property is being infringed upon. Crackmes, reverse mes, and keygen mes are generally similar protected, and they have a same kind of protection as found in proprietary software. So in this course, you are going to learn how to do crackmes in order to crack software legally. And where can we find these crackmes? You can go to this website to download the crackmes for practice. And this website is a place where you can download crackmes to improve your reverse engineering skills. If you want to submit a crackme or solution, you must first register. So registering is an option. For our course, you can choose not to register if you do not want to. And there are many users and also many number of crackmes and also many solutions. However, one problem that you will face is there are no help, nobody to guide you step by step. That is why this course is created, in order to guide you step by step on how to solve the crackmes that you can get it download from here. So to look for crackmes, you will click search, and then you can choose the crackmes based on the name, the author, the difficulty, the language, or the platform. So to start off, we will normally be using the level 1, very easy level, and then start off with something simple in C language and something in the Windows platform. Then you click on search and you come up a list of all the crackmes which satisfy this search criteria, difficulty level 1. So now you can download the crackmes by clicking on the name of the crackmes. The download link is here, so click on this link to download. So after you download the link, the file is a zip file. You can extract it. So you can extract it by using any of your extraction tools that you prefer. So you can extract it here, and it will ask you for a password. And the password for extracting is the name of the website, which is crackmes.one. So you should type crackmes.one. That is the password to unzip any of the crackmes which you download from here. Sometimes the crackme password is crackmes.de instead of crackmes.one. This is because crackmes.one was previously known as crackmes.de, and some of the crackmes that are found in this new website have been imported from the earlier website crackmes.de. So you only have two passwords to try, either crackmes.one or crackmes.de. That's all. So after extracting the file, the zip file, you will have the extracted file and you can actually run it. So this is how we are going to proceed with our course. We will start learning how to crack software in the next lessons. Thank you for watching.